Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Diva. Today I'll be doing two quick and easy everyday makeup look. So let's get started. Our first look is all about beautiful looking lips and simple eyes. I'm starting my makeup by applying silicone based primer that will help in controlling excessive oil secretion. Next, I'm applying liquid highlighter for the natural looking glow. I'm applying it on the highlighting points of my face, that is cheekbones, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and forehead. Now using a flat blending brush, I'm gonna blend it all together. I will leave the product details in the description box below. Next, I'm applying my foundation. This foundation is from Faces Canada. This is a very lightweight sheer coverage foundation, perfect for everyday look. Again, I'm using the same blending brush to blend my foundation. I'm sorry, I look like a little ghost here, but please bear with me. Next, I'm going to be mixing two shades of Fit Me concealer to match my skin tone and to cover up all my dark circles and pigmentation. People suffering from hyperpigmentation, rosacea, active acne, please go ahead and use a corrector to conceal all your marks and blemishes, followed by concealer. I'm using the same blending brush to blend it all. Instead of using a brush, you can also use a beauty blender. Take your time in blending to avoid any patches. I did set my face with a little bit of powder, but I forgot to film it. Next, I'm using a brown shadow from Nudes palette and filling in my eyebrows. Choose your eyebrow products as per your choice. There is nothing necessary that you have to use only brown eyeshadows. Since I have quite thick eyebrows, I don't like to overfill it and overdo it. Next, I'm using the same concealer to give a precise look and shape to my eyebrows. People with glasses do focus on your eyebrows because eyebrows are the first thing that grabs attention in your makeup. Using a mini blending brush, I'm blending the concealer. I absolutely love this palette because I can create so many different looks with a single palette. Right now I'm using a mix of orange and rusty shade to create my crease. After applying the transition shade, I'm gonna be using a shimmery shade from the same palette. It's kind of a champagne color. I'm gonna be using it and applying it on the eyelid and inner corner of my eyes. You can choose any eyeshadow color of your choice. Since I'm not gonna be using a thick eyeliner for this look, I'm gonna be tight lining my upper waterline with a black gold pencil. Guys, tight lining makes a huge difference. It helps in opening up your eyes and make it look bigger. Can you see the difference? To fill in any gap on my upper lash line, I'm applying a black shadow very precisely on my upper lash line. Coming to my favorite part, curling my lashes with my lash curler and applying loads and loads of mascara. Whenever I'm not applying liner, I make sure I use a good amount of mascara for my lashes. Do not forget to apply your mascara from top, as it will remove any excessive fallouts. Going in with a beautiful pink shade from Lakme, as I want this look to be all about my lips. A bit of blush for the fresh look. So here is the completed look. You can go with any dark lip color that will absolutely look stunning. Let's start with the second look. This look is all about the eyes. Using a black liquid liner, first I'll be creating the wing of my liner. Take your time to create the sharp wing liner. If you do not want to use two different shades, you can go ahead and use any single shade of your choice, but I personally like to use black on the outer corner, that is the wing part, because that gives more precision to my wing liner. Next, I'm using a blue liquid liner to connect that wing to the inner corner of my eyes. The base for both the makeup are same, I'm just changing the eyes and the lip. If you want to know exactly how I do my base, including correcting, I have a video on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. This liner reminds me of Shimla Tagore. If it does to you, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to use mascara. I'm gonna be mixing a brown and a nude lip color. If you want to go with a single shade, you can go ahead and use a single shade, but I want a little ombre effect on my lips today. This is how my makeup look with brown lipstick. Next, I'm using a nude lip color on top of the brown shade. Here is the completed look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.